dream of American materiel of war grows to Australia, the base of South Pacific operations, as P-38s and Air Cobras come off transports just arrived. Warbirds for the United Nations airmen. Some come partly knocked down. Others are in crates to save valuable shipping space. But all are ready for quick assembly so these Allied planes can be off to wing through South Pacific skies in search of the Jap. The arsenal of democracy is delivering the goods to the many assembly plants that have been especially built throughout the continent. And when the plants overflow, the fields are used. Wings are uncrated and added. Guns installed. Everything must be in tip-top shape. And each nut, each bolt, each wire is double-checked just as carefully as back home before these trim eagles take the air. Guns are tested, too. The next time these 50s fire, it may be at a 0. And that's when accuracy counts. Speed is the word at this Allied base down under, so with gas tanks filled, the fighters sweep aloft with a defiant challenge.